I'm Yan, the founder of Yansourcing. This is the first time to meet you on the internet. It sounds very easy to find Chinese suppliers, such as sourcing on Chinese platforms like Alibaba, visiting exhibition or wholesale markets in China. However, it's hard for you to identify if the supplier is reliable because of the language barriers and big cultural differences. You will never know if he can offer the most competitive price in China. You have no idea if he can deliver bulk order with the same quality and samples. There are tons of ways that bad suppliers can cheat you, and any of these methods will cost you thousands or $10,000 in lost. We have helped several thousands of foreign buyers get quality products from China in the past years, and many of them become million-dollar sellers. The best value of our services is that there will be a professional agent to support you from source suppliers all the way to ship products. Just send us an inquiry about what products you want and how you want to customize them, and our customer support will assign you an agent who will help you get quotes from the suppliers, collect product samples, check quality, and ship you all samples together to save shipping costs. You can compare our quotes and samples with those suppliers sourced by yourself. Either choose to purchase from our suppliers or yours. You can choose our Pro Plan, which includes our most valuable services. Your dedicated agent will coordinate with all suppliers to follow up the manufacturing, will ensure products are made according to your requirements. If you want to provide label products, your agent will contact packing manufacturer to customize nice packing with your brand, even if you just order small quantities. We also help you collect products from different suppliers in our warehouse, check quality, and help you choose the most cost-effective shipping solution to deliver products to your door. The Pro Plan service charge is only 5% to 10% of product value.